Dual PEX, the new electronic apex locator by Micromega. Dual PEX acts as your electronic companion for using on the essentials. Dual PEX offers a simple color display and only 3 keys. Main switch to turn on or turn off the device. It automatically turns off if not used for a while. Volume setting key. Set key to adjust the position of your own apical limit, called the reference point. Graphics on the display is a simplified view of the root canal, split into 3 different colored regions. The white part corresponds to the front region of the apical constriction. The green part symbolizes the apical zone, between the apical constriction, marker 1, and the apical foramen. The red part is beyond the apical foramen. The horizontal bars show the movement of the file inside the canal towards the apex. White in the front region of the apical constriction. The color goes green in the apical region and red beyond the apex, with the label Apex blinking. The figure on the left indicates how close the file is to the apical foramen in terms of remaining numbers of bars before reaching it. The green scale is then divided into 7 different regions or steps. Between the apical constriction corresponding to the bar number 6 and the apical foramen, bar number 0. An audio feedback is provided in the form of progressive rate beeps. When the apex is reached, the beeps change to a solid tone. If the apex is passed, a warning sound is activated. Checking the device before use. Plug the tester module to Dual PEX on the right. The device is in good operating condition if the bars reach the green area and if the number of remaining steps before the apex is between 2 and 4. Dual PEX is a versatile device to be used as a standalone equipment to estimate the working length or combined with the cordless dual move endomotor to monitor the progression of the file towards the apex. Thanks to 4 frequencies technology, Dual PEX gives accurate information whatever the conditions in the explored canal and the battery level. Used in standalone mode, Dual PEX helps you estimate the working length. Insert the measuring wire. Connect the lip hook to the white socket of the measuring wire. The lip hook will be hung to the patient's lower lip. Connect the file clip to the black socket. Finally, put the clip to the manual file to explore the canal. Beforehand, you can position a visual marker in front of the apex to make the approach more secure. Push the ref key several times to locate the apical limit between the apical constriction and the foramen. The reference point appears as a green arrow on the right of the screen. Then explore the canal with the manual file. Dual Move and Dual PEX make the perfect duo for successful root canal preparation. Combine them to monitor the progression of the file towards the apex during the root canal shaping. Plug the data transfer cable into the socket located on the left-hand side of Dual PEX and plug the opposite end to Dual Move. Switch on Dual Move. Power on Dual PEX. Connected is furtively displayed on Dual Move's screen. Hang the lip hook on the patient's lower lip. Before starting the treatment, create a short circuit between the lip hook and the file. All the bars shall appear on Dual Move's display. You can start the root canal preparation. When combined with Dual Move, the location of the file tip is duplicated on its screen, as well as the preset reference point, to make all readings close to you during the treatment. Dual Move and Dual PEX is the winning combination for successful root canal preparations.